Guys, Johnny's hot tip here, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Okay, today we're pest controlling. Now there's no need to go out and employ people to pest control your house. I mean, that's ridiculous. Just do it yourself. Okay, now when you go out and buy it, make sure it says like up protection up to 9 months or whatever. Just as long as there's some sort of protection. I mean, it's all basically the same. Okay, so you want to shake it up, alright? Give her a good shake up, and then you just spray around the edges. I mean, it's pretty simple. You spray down the bottom, you do your inside, your outside, and you just spray, and there you go. That's it. That's how you pest control your house. Please do not get expensive blokes. You can do it yourself. I mean, $3 a can. What's the guy's going to cost you? 140? They're having a joke. It's going to take you want to buy probably about 3 of these. So, yeah, it's going to cost you a little bit more than $3. Realistically, it's going to be about $10. So yeah, do it yourself. Save some money. You do inside, you do outside. It's nothing hard. Just make it happen, boys and girls. And then stay safe, guys. Make sure you wear gloves. And yeah, see you on the next one.